Today you'll learn how to do this speed ramp effect in Davinci Resolve. First, make sure you have your clip ready in the timeline. Then select the clip and press Ctrl R on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also right click on it and click this retime controls button. After you've done that, you'll see this little 100% speed number at the bottom. Go to where you want the slow motion of your clip to start, and then click the little arrow next to the 100% and click Add Speed Point. Then move your playhead to where you want the slow motion to stop, and then click on the little arrow again and click Add Speed Point one more time. Now you'll see that your clip is broken up into 3 different sections. Go to the first one, click on the little arrow next to the 100%, and then change the speed to something faster. You can have a play around with this to see which one works best for you, and then go to the last section and do the exact same thing on that one as well. Now you'll see it speeds up, goes back into real time, and then speeds up again. I'm just going to change the speed to make it a little bit faster because I think it's still a little bit too slow. Next, right click on the clip, and then right under where it says retime controls, there's another button that says retime curve. Click on that, and now expand the keyframe section, and then select each of the keyframes, and then go up here and click this button to give a curve to the keyframes. You can change how much influence the curves have by dragging out the handles here. So if you made them closer together, the clip would slow down a lot faster. And if you bring the handles further away, then it will make the curve a lot smoother.